Gut-wrenching agony of parents who can't believe their 24-year-old son is dead. Sulakshan and his friend Gajan were riding this motorbike in Sri Lanka's northern Jaffna Peninsula last month when it happened.
This was the police who protect the nation, a protection force. This is what they have done. It's like they were dealing with a terrorist. They could have chased or aimed the shots at the boy's feet. But my son was killed by 3 bullets.
A police team in the area said the men died when their bike crashed into a wall. But they had to admit opening fire on them when the judicial medical officer confirmed the rider was killed by gunshots. President Maithripala Sirisena has ordered an investigation. The case is likely to be raised when the UN Committee Against Torture reviews Sri Lanka on Tuesday. Human rights lawyers say violence and torture is common here.
Police, I think they don't know any other language other than torture in certain situations. They only take torture as a tool to investigate or extract information. So this is still continuing.
It's a view confirmed by the Human Rights Commission of Sri Lanka. In a report to the UN Committee Against Torture, the Commission said it recognizes torture to be of routine nature that is practiced all over the country, mainly during police detentions. The government rejects allegations that torture remains widespread and unpunished. It says police and armed forces commanders have warned personnel against torture and human rights violations. But they say there are no quick fixes.
Government approach and idea, the view is totally eradicate the torture in the country. This is our intention, but we might be fail in time to come. It may be, if we can reduce it to a certain percentage, 70%, 90%, or like that, it is a big win we would get in the future.
The Constitution guarantees fundamental rights, including that no person be subjected to torture, cruel and inhuman, degrading treatment. There are bodies to investigate cases of torture, but observers say after years of brutality during youth uprisings and war, violence has become the norm here in Sri Lanka. Fighting that institutionalized violence is a challenge, one that Sulakshan and Gajan's parents are hoping can be faced in order to spare other parents their agony. Minelle Fernandez, Al Jazeera, Colombo.